Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today, I will tell you about the Western blotting. Western blot are used to determine the identify size and abundance of specific protein within a sample. The Western blot begins with the sample lysate preparation from tissue or cell culture and separation on the polyacrylate gel by electrophoresis. The separated protein are transferred to the nitrocellulose or polyvinyl defluoride membrane. The membrane is incubated with the blocking agent to prevent non-specific binding, followed by the incubation with a primary antibody to bind the protein of the interest. There are two detection methods, direct and indirect. Direct detection method relies to the label primary antibody, whereas indirect detection requires a primary antibody directed against the target protein and the secondary antibody directed against the immunoglobulin class or subclass of the primary antibody species. Visualization method including colorimetric assay in which colored participated in the produced chemical immunescence and the fluorescence. Western blot prepare lysine and now we will discuss about the protocol. Prepare lysate from the cell culture and tissue. After that sample preparation, determine the protein concentration of each sample with protein quantification assay in Buford assay and add a equal volume of 2x lamelli sample buffer or each sample. Some samples may need to be reduced or denatured. This achieved by the boiling samples in a buffer. Prepare on SDS pH gel. Load samples along with molecular weight and marker. Run the gel in running buffer. After the transfer, following electrophoresis, assemble the transfer unit including gel PVDF of nitrocellulose membrane and filter paper. Transfer the protein to the membrane with the transfer buffer. After that, antibody staining. Prepare blocking buffer and incubate the membrane to reduce non-specific binding. Incubate the membrane with primary antibody, dilute in blocking buffer. After that, wash the membrane in TBST and the incubate the conjugated. Secondary antibody diluted in blocking buffer. After, wash the membrane. Then further we can see the results. Thank you.